got so quiet without a sound, like love was lost but never found. Was it fear? Was it fate? Was it me? Or was I drowning in what you couldn't see? Tell me, was I asking too much? Did I hold on when you gave up? If you never meant to stay, why does your name still haunt me today? Did I love you too much? Was I out of line? Did I burn too bright, too hard to hide? If loving you was wrong, I'd rather be blind than live in a world where you're not mine. I gave you my all, every breath, every scar, but love fell apart while I was holding on too hard. Maybe love was never ours to keep, just a dream. Maybe love was never ours to keep, just a dream that fades in sleep. But if I had one last chance to hold you near, I'd whisper the words you were too scared to hear. Did I love you too much? Did I fall too fast? Did I break my own heart just to make us last? If time could rewind, if fate let me choose, I'd still love you even knowing I'd lose. I gave you my all, every breath, every scar, but love fell apart while I was holding on too hard. Did I love you too much? Or did I just love much? Or did I just love you enough?
我睇到0.5啊，3.3。
괜찮아요.